Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best shop aprons are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of gear for any serious DIYer, woodworker, mechanic, or artist, providing a crucial layer of protection for your clothing against spills, stains, dust, and debris, ensuring that your favorite shirts and pants remain pristine while you focus on the task at hand, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining both your appearance and your tools. Number 5. Will Chef Apron, Black. Tired of stubborn grease and food stains ruining your clothes? Our Teflon-coated polyester apron acts as your ultimate shield against water, oil, and dirt, keeping you clean. Cook with ease thanks to its large size, covering you from chest to knee. It features an adjustable neck strap, long waist ties for a snug fit, and convenient front pockets. Never be without your cooking tools again. The dual front pockets are spacious enough to hold everything from utensils and recipe cards to your phone and a towel. Experience superior quality with our apron, made from high-quality Teflon-coated polyester. It's incredibly durable, yet soft and lightweight for a dreamlike wearing experience. Maintaining a clean apron is simple. It's machine washable, wrinkle-resistant, and won't shrink, ensuring it stays looking crisp and fresh after every wash. What we like. This apron offers excellent protection against spills and stains, thanks to its special coating. It also features convenient pockets for your essentials. If you are looking for a comfortable and practical apron for everyday cooking or baking, this one is a great choice. What people say. Great fabric that worked great with the Cricut iron-on vinyl. I will be buying more of these to personalize for gifts. Nice quality, not too thin, and they have a nice long tie that can wrap around to tie in front. It's perfect for me. I can adjust it to protect my entire sweater when cooking. The two pockets on the front are incredibly useful. It's very easy to clean. Number 4. QeeLink Leather Welding Work Apron. Introducing the QeeLink Leather Welding Work Apron, designed for ultimate protection. Its robust construction ensures durability in demanding work environments. Keep your essential tools within easy reach with 6 spacious pockets. This apron offers convenient storage for all your welding necessities. Work with confidence thanks to its superior heat and flame resistance. This apron provides a critical layer of safety against sparks and high temperatures. Measuring 24 by 36 inches, it offers extensive coverage. This generous size ensures you are well protected during your tasks. Designed for a perfect fit, it's adjustable from M to XXXL. Enjoy comfortable wear and unrestricted movement, no matter your size. Crafted from high-quality leather, this apron is built to withstand the toughest jobs. Invest in protection that lasts. What we like. Crafted from durable leather, this apron provides superior protection against heat and flames. It's designed with multiple pockets to keep your tools organized and within reach. If you work with welding or in a high-heat environment and need robust protection, this is the apron for you. What people say. The straps are adjustable so they have a wide range of sizes. They attach with a clip so they're really easy to clip on and take off. It has large pockets that are great for holding my slag hammer and clamps. Pockets are nice and deep. I can carry most of the tools I need to have at hand. This is thick, uniformly colored, soft, pliable where I could fold it under my knees if I wanted. Number 3. Mechanix Wear Shop Apron. This apron is built from durable ballistic nylon, making it resistant to water and certain solvents. It's designed for longevity and high performance in demanding work environments. Keep all your tools organized and within easy reach. It features a center chest pocket for small items, holders for hammers and T-handles, and deep interior pockets for hanging tools. Developed with industry professionals, this apron offers ample chest coverage and optimized pockets. A lower center slit ensures greater freedom of movement while you work. Adjustable neck and waist straps provide a comfortable and secure fit for waist sizes 28 to 44. It easily accommodates a variety of users. This apron is conveniently machine washable for easy cleaning. Its adjustable straps ensure a one-size-fits-all design for maximum versatility. At Mechanix Wear, we strive to elevate protection beyond your expectations. We achieve this through innovative design, advanced materials, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. What we like. Built with tough ballistic nylon, this apron is resistant to liquids and solvents, making it ideal for demanding tasks. It boasts a variety of pockets and holders for all your tools. If you're a tradesperson or DIY enthusiast who needs a durable apron with excellent tool organization, consider this option. What people say. The apron is made of durable canvas material that holds up well to daily use. It features multiple pockets of various sizes, perfect for storing tools and supplies. The adjustable straps ensure a comfortable and secure fit for different body types. Number 2. Heavy-duty canvas work apron. Crafted from sturdy 16-ounce canvas, this apron is built to last. Every pocket corner is reinforced with rivets for added durability. Measuring 27 inches wide by 34 inches tall, it offers a comfortable fit for most body types, adjustable from M to XXL. Keep all your essential tools within reach in its oversized pockets. It even features a convenient towel loop and a hammer holder. The shoulder straps are designed for comfort, avoiding any strangulation. The back straps and quick-release buckle make it easy to put on and take off. Perfect for a wide range of professions, including woodworkers, electricians, chefs, and painters. It's a practical and protective garment for any job. Looking for a unique gift? This apron makes an excellent present for the handymen and fathers in your life. What we like. Made from sturdy 16-ounce canvas, this apron is built to last and features large pockets for all your tools. The adjustable back straps with a quick-release buckle ensure easy wear and a secure fit. If you're a woodworker, mechanic, or tradesperson who needs a heavy-duty apron that's easy to put on and take off, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. Thick and cotton, they protected everyone's clothing and looked sharp. They fit any size. The tool pockets have been a game-changer for me. Now, I have everything I need right at my fingertips, making my work so much more efficient and enjoyable. The pockets are also spacious enough to hold a variety of different tools. It is very well made with a good strong fabric. The black is nice looking and it has so many pockets. Number 1. Denim Jean Tool Apron. Introducing our durable denim jean apron, designed for your toughest jobs. It offers reliable protection and easy access to your tools. This apron is waterproof and surprisingly lightweight, ensuring comfort throughout your workday. You can move freely without feeling weighed down. It features an adjustable design for a perfect, customized fit. No matter your size, you'll find it comfortable and secure. Stay organized with 4 convenient pockets. Keep your essential tools and supplies within easy reach at all times. Available in a classic blue, this apron combines practicality with a touch of style. It's the perfect addition to your workwear collection. What we like. This apron combines the classic look of denim with the practicality of waterproof canvas pockets. It's lightweight and features adjustable straps for a comfortable fit. If you appreciate a stylish yet functional apron for light-duty work or creative projects and want to keep your essentials dry, this one is worth considering. What people say. Lots of pockets and easy to put on. Some aprons have complex ways of securing them. These just slip over your head with a single adjustable strap. I appreciate that they are lightweight denim and keep me cooler in everyday work compared to the heavier leather aprons I use for welding. Very light to wear for small projects around the house to keep your shirt and hip area clear of dirt or painting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.